The Torotrak full toroidal variator configured as an infinitely variable transmission. Torotrak's variator can be configured as an infinitely variable transmission, or IVT, which delivers operation from reverse direction, through neutral, to maximum forward speed without discontinuity or drive interruption. In this example, the engine drives the variator main shaft and the input discs, as with a toroidal CVT. A lay shaft takes the drive from the variator output. A gear system is connected between the variator and the axle and road wheels. It provides the IVT functionality and is conventionally known as an epicyclic gear train. An epicyclic gear train is formed from three connected elements. The sun, or centre gear, is driven by the variator input. The annulus, or ring gear, is driven by the variator output via the lay shaft. The planet gear and carrier assembly forms the output of the transmission. The epicyclic gear train acts as a mechanical calculator. It subtracts the engine speed, at the sun gear, from the variator output speed, at the annulus. If the answer to the calculation of the difference between the engine speed and variator output speed is 0, then the transmission output is stationary. This condition is termed geared neutral. If the answer to the sum is greater than 0, the transmission output will rotate to provide forward motion. If the answer is less than 0, the transmission output rotates in the opposite direction, providing reverse. The prop shaft is connected to the transmission output via the carrier plate and associated gearing. The variator ratio determines the driveline ratio, causing the transmission to move seamlessly from full reverse through geared neutral to forwards. As a result, on an infinitely variable transmission, there is no requirement for a starting clutch. Even when the vehicle is stationary, the running engine is mechanically connected to the road wheels. The geared neutral function replaces the requirement for a clutch or torque converter to provide the launch function.